Hey everybody, welcome back to the Over 50 with Frugal Phineas channel. Hope you guys are doing well. This is the end of the month review. We see how our repair fund did. I try to put $100 in my repair fund every month, sometimes more if I do a no spend month. January was a no spend month, December was a no spend month. And stuff's gonna break. This just helps with the plumbing issues, car breaks down, whatever. We'll go over that. My target item of the month, I pick one item per month and really stock up on it and hit it. Last month was tuna, and I carried it on again this month. Tuna for the month of January. Love tuna. Long shelf life. And I love tuna sandwiches. So didn't go too crazy on tuna, but every time I went, I'd pick up a can or two. Sometimes the Big Daddy. And no spend went very well. I'm really trying to only buy food and gas. Nothing else. I don't want to buy any nonsense. So let's pick a new item to target this month of February. It's a shorter month. So what I do is every time I go to a store, I'll pick up one or two of that item. Maybe 3 or 4. It depends what it costs and the shelf life and how many I want to get that month. It's a good way of stocking up a good food supply slowly. And if you have low income, you just buy... Every time you go to the store, buy one extra can of tuna if you're low income. And over time, you'll be amazed how much that stuff, your stockpile does grow. Like I have a lot of food in this house, and I just did one can at a time over time. I have very low income. All right, so this February's target item, where every time I go to the store, I'm going to pick up. I've been doing it a lot lately, but I decided to make it my February item. It's these Farmlands breakfast sausages. It's called pork sausage, Farmland. They're 2 for $3. And the reason I like those, it's actually pretty good, easy to cook. I picked that for the month of February because it'll last in the freezer. I can eat it in a lot of ways. I get a lot of these hash brown type things. See the deal on that, 99 cents on sale. I actually have quite a few in the freezer. And that's good to throw with that and some eggs. You can make a little hash brown casserole. So this month I'm going to target these. Every time I go to Apple, they're 2 for $3. I'm going to pick up 2. I think I have 6 of these in the freezer already before I made it my target item. Now, if the price rises, because this is not the red sticker type of deal. It's a sale price. If that changes, it's been like this for a little while. If that changes, I will pivot to something else because I'm not going to pay no more than $1.50 per roll of these. It's not worth over that to me. All right, the repair fund. Not bad news, but nothing broke, so the repair fund remains at $615. I did not add to it the month of January. I was sick 3 weeks in December, carried over to January, so I didn't get a lot of income those 3 weeks. I was snowed in last week for about 6-7 days. I didn't get a lot of income those days. So I didn't really add to this. I'm not thrilled with it, but it's going to be okay. I am going to, for sure, February I'm going to add to it. Usually I do 25 a week, 100 a month. I'm going to try to do more to try to catch up for January, but we still have $615 in here. That'll cover, last year I had a couple of plumbing problems. 2 of them average about $300 each. That'll cover 2 plumbing problems. I don't have to dip in my account. And I usually pull cash in here. What else we got? Oh, I'll take you guys. I just got back from Apple Market just now. I'll take you guys to the store, see what deals they had. I want to show you the price of a couple things too. Craziness. Where do you see the price of this little 1.5 ounce? And they call you'll see on the video, they called it a Lay's potato chip. They call it a Big Grab, I think. Why did you see how much that thing cost? 1 1/2 ounce. I mean, it was just a bag of air. So take a look at some of those prices. That's crazy. $1.5 ounce for $1.79. Crazy. Look at this. One pack. And also, I'm starting to do more day in the life of a introvert, frugal delivery driver. I'll take you on my deliveries with me with Uber, Grubhub, DoorDash, Spark, Walmart delivery, hopefully less DoorDash. We'll stop along the way to find some discounts at the stores. We'll stop along the way. If we see cheap gas, we'll fill up the tank. And each time I'm gonna have a new topic. So episode 4, I'm editing now. That topic's gonna be 12 frugal things I do. And we'll talk about that throughout the delivering, in between deliveries. I'll show you the deliveries. I'll show you how much I made. We'll go over how much I make. At the end of the day, we'll go over what I made, what deals I found at any stores, what I paid for gas, if I gassed up. And we'll discuss in between that the certain topics. So each time will be each delivery, day in the life of a delivery driver will just be a new topic we discuss along the way. And I'll show you scenery. Last time I showed you, we found some horses. We saw some horses chilling. We saw a snowman built. We saw a Christmas light Bigfoot out in the wild. So it's just fun videos, and we can do some talk about some frugal stuff along the way. All right, I just want to check in with you guys because it's the beginning of a new month. I'm gonna do no spend again, and let's see if I can build this repair envelope up, get it higher. If it gets up to $1,000 with no repairs, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that $1,000 and transfer it over to my property tax envelope. My property tax is about $1,400 a year. If this gets to $1,000, no repairs, I'm going to put that aside, and it's not due till December 31st. So I got almost a year for that's due. But man, to have it wiped out early will be peace of mind. And then I'll just start from zero to repair fund. And we'll chance it. If I transfer that $1,000 over to property tax envelope and something breaks, I'll have to dip in my regular account and just suck it up. But we'll see how that goes. You never know. Stuff breaks all the time. All right. Hope you guys are staying warm. It's 2 degrees in Missouri. It sucks. This is terrible. And I'm freezing in this room because I don't heat this room. And boy, you can tell. You could definitely tell this room is not heated. That's why I'm all bundled up. Out there it's warm. I'm keeping the house warm. I got Bentley the boxer here and Theo, the little fuzzball Labrador Retriever. No. Fuzzball Golden Doodle thingamajig. Small one though. Both of them love the snow, so I'll take some film of them in the backyard and I'll put it in one of these videos. So that there is $50 a day. I got 2 dogs here. Baby Love hides. Every time I get out of bed, I have to put a pillow on each side and put the comfort over it and give her a cave. If I sleep past her time, she'll go on the nightstand and stare at me because she wants me out of bed so I can build her cave and I can go about my day. She's nocturnal. She's up at night and sleeps during the day. She gets impatient waiting for me. She wants me out of bed. And every time I build it, and it's her little cave, and she likes it, and she sleeps there. She'll come out and visit during the day, and then she'll go right back in her little cave and sleep. I guess she keeps it nice and warm. Let's see if we can see Baby Love in her little cave I build her every morning. See, pillow this side, pillow that side, and it gives her a little... She'll crawl underneath there, let's see. Baby Love! What are you doing? Sorry I woke you. Had to show everybody. Now she'll be mad at me. Baby Love! She might be cranky at me. Alright. If you do me a favor and please hit the thumbs up, I appreciate that. It helps a lot. And I'll see you guys in the comments. And Stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Theo! 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 Good boy. Go get him, go get him.